Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove a partner from Facebook Business Manager. This is particularly useful when you need to revoke access from agencies, freelancers, or collaborators who no longer need to manage your business assets. Let's walk through this step by step. First, head over to facebook.com and log into your Facebook business account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. From here, look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page from this menu. This will take you directly to your business management area where you can control various aspects of your business presence. You'll now be directed to your Facebook business management page. From here, you need to locate the Meta Business Suite option on the left navigation menu and click on it. The Meta Business Suite is Facebook's centralized hub for managing your business tools and settings, so this is where we'll make the necessary changes. Once you're in your Meta Business Suite dashboard, click on the Profile dropdown at the top of the page. A business portfolio selection will appear, giving you access to different business settings. From here, locate the gear icon, which is your gateway to accessing the business settings. Click on this gear icon to proceed. This settings area is where you'll find all the controls for managing who has access to your business portfolio. From your business portfolio settings, click on the Users section. This will expand a drop-down menu with several options related to user management. From this menu, locate Partners and click on it. The Partners section is specifically designed to manage external collaborators who have been granted access to your business assets. You'll now see your Partners page, which displays a list of all the assets and pages you have partnered with. Browse through this list and locate the partner you wish to remove. Once you click on the partner, a right side window will appear showing more details about this partnership. To proceed with the removal, click on the three-dot icon, which will reveal additional options. From the options presented, click on Remove from Business Portfolio. This action will trigger a confirmation message to appear, ensuring you don't accidentally remove a partner. Click on Confirm to proceed with the removal, and the partner will no longer have access to your business portfolio. And that's it. You've successfully removed a partner from your Facebook Business Manager, ensuring that only authorized individuals have access to your business assets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.